In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Google Search Console. Ensuring your online store is visible in search results is crucial for driving traffic and boosting sales. By linking your Shopify store to Google Search Console, you gain valuable insights into how your site performs in search, which can help you make informed decisions to enhance your search presence. Let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is your go-to destination for finding tools and applications that can supercharge your Shopify experience. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the search bar. It's typically at the top of the page, making it easy to find. In the search bar, type in Google Search Console. This query will direct you to the resources specifically designed to integrate your Shopify store with Google Search Console. After you've entered your search term, press Enter, and you'll see a list of related apps. Among these options, you're looking for an app or integration that specifically mentions Google Search Console. It might be tempting to try other apps that seem interesting, but for this task, focus on the one that will directly connect your Shopify store with Google Search Console. This ensures that you're streamlining the process and not adding unnecessary steps or complications. Once you've identified the correct app, click on it. This will take you to a page with more detailed information about the app, including reviews, features, and pricing if applicable. It's always a good idea to glance through the reviews and ratings to ensure that the app is well received by other users. Positive feedback often indicates reliability and effectiveness. After reviewing the details and ensuring it's the right fit for your needs, you'll find an Add App button. Click that to begin the installation process. At this point, Shopify may prompt you to log in if you aren't already. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your store. With the app added, you'll typically need to follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may include granting permissions or connecting your Google account so that the app can access Google Search Console on your behalf. Follow these steps carefully, as granting the correct permissions is essential for the integration to work properly. Once everything is set up, you'll have successfully connected your Shopify store to Google Search Console. This connection will provide you with invaluable data about how your store appears in search results and how customers interact with your site via search engines. Regularly check the data and insights provided to continuously optimize your store's search performance. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect your Shopify store to Google Search Console. With these insights at your fingertips, you're well on your way to enhancing your store's visibility and performance online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.